Hello everyone. Now, today start lesson addition and number long. Let's start. 1.
I will to plus
17.
I will to equal
18. 3.
I will to plus
9.
I will to equal
12. 7.
I will to plus
12.
I will to equal
19. 4.
I will to plus
6.
I will to equal
10. 19.
I will to plus
19.
I will to equal
38. 14.
I will to plus
8.
I will to equal
22. 13.
I will to plus
10.
I will to equal
23. 20.
I will to plus
15.
I will to equal
35. Wow, it look very happy and it is a big number. Ten.
I will to plus
13.
I will to equal
23. 14.
I will to plus
9.
I will to equal
23. 8.
I will to plus
18.
I will to equal
26. 8.
I will to plus
10.
I will to equal
18.
I will
18.
to plus
5.
I will to equal
23. 8.
I will to plus
20.
I will to equal
28. 4.
I will to plus
8.
I will to equal
12. 2.
I will to plus
17.
I will to equal
19. 14.
I will to plus
11.
I will to equal
25. 20.
I will to plus
20.
I will to equal
14. Wow, it had a green color. Look beautiful and it very happy. I want happy and I want beautiful color. 17.
I will to plus
7.
I will to equal
24. 16.
I will do blood.
13,
I will do equal.
29, 14,
I will do blood.
20,
I will do equal.
34, 14,
I will do blood.
12,
I will do equal.
26, 12,
I will do blood.
15,
I will do equal.
27, 1,
I will do blood.
5,
I will do equal.
6. Gì đây số ý gì? 1,
I will do blood.
1,
I will do equal.
2. Số ý gì? 6,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
15, 11,
I will do blood.
2,
I will do equal.
13, 19,
I will do blood.
18,
I will do equal.
sorry, 19 plus 8 equal 27. 14,
I will do blood.
9,
I will do equal.
23, 4,
I will do blood.
7,
I will do equal.
11, 6,
I will do blood.
12,
I will do equal.
18, 14,
I will do blood.
8,
I will do equal.
22. And the lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.